So as we move forward to the next segment, that here we will talk about two things which are, I told you, they are interrelated with each other. So those things are uh, health and it is going uphill. So health and fitness. So health and fitness are two terms which I found that they are interrelated, but they are not. That is a fact. But people try to relate them because I don't know why it is a trend or something. But whenever you like example, don't these are just examples. Like whenever you go to a doctor watches all your blood profiles, lipid profiles, and all the blood tests you did before, and then he'll tell you, yeah, you are fit and healthy. हाँ तुम तो fit और healthy हो. So they claim you to be healthy, which you are because of the reports and all, but they also claim that you are fit. But there is a difference, guys. As I told you, what is health? First of all, health is something, a state in which you lack pathology, pathology. So it is something where you are disease free, you can say somewhat, right? So you're disease free. What is fitness now? So fitness interests me because I'm going to tell you something after this that will change, which will shift your perspective, which did shift mine too. So first of all, what is fitness? So fitness is, let me think, ability to do day-to-day task with ease. Let's make it capability. You should be capable to do the task with ease, okay? And then what is next? To improve. To improve on what? On this. So improve functional ability. So what is functional ability? What is functionality? So functionality is to be able to do this with ease. Yeah, able to do this. So to improve this, fitness is to attain this and to keep improving. Hashtag to keep improving. And what is the next thing? It is something which we all want. I think I'm not facing it right now because I am too young for it, but old guys actually want it. They want to fight something. And guess what? It is to fight what? Aging. So people don't want to age after you are 30 or somewhat. You don't want to look 30, you want to look younger. So anti-aging and all the things come into play. So fitness is anti-aging. It helps you fight aging. I won't call it that because it helps you age properly. You will obviously age, but it makes the process somewhat slower. So to fight aging, let's write it that way, okay? So this is the difference. There is a wall between. These are two separate things. So what I told you, I will write something on that will change your perspective, which indeed changed mine. So the thing is, let me just write it for you guys, then I will tell you what it is. uh, Air quotes, obviously. A healthy person may not be fit, but a fit person has a greater chance of being healthy. So, as the quote unquote suggests, uh, if you are healthy, you should never consider yourself fit, because fitness takes this. Fitness, to improve fitness, to attain fitness, first of all, you need to put effort, you need to work on it. So, how to improve fitness? We will are going to discuss that shortly, but you have to improve fitness. It doesn't come that way, like your blood reports will be normal. If they will be normal, you will be considered as healthy, but you won't be considered as fit. But when you are fit, when you work out, when you eat properly, you have more chances of being healthy, because simple that if you are fit, you should be healthy. You will be lacking pathologies. You will be at the peak of health, at the level 3 of nutrition, as we've discussed early on. So that is the difference. Okay, but yeah, a fit person can also be unhealthy, right? Everyone can be unhealthy, everyone can catch a flu. So if you catch a flu, you catch a fever, you are not considered healthy, because obviously you are lacking, you are having a pathology. So that is how this saying goes. Again, I'll repeat it for you. A healthy person may not be fit, but a fit person has a greater chance of being healthy. So you can take a screenshot. I will get a site for you, but next time we are going to focus on the next thing, that is fitness. So fitness, I'll tell you how to improve fitness. So I'm not going to go in depth into that, okay, because I have a lot of topics to cover, at least a lot of notes to make for myself. So take a screenshot, guys.